Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about heterocyclic chemistry. In last video, I have discussed about pyridine, and last to last video, I have already discussed about introductory or introductions of heterocyclic chemistry. So let us start with the other part of pyridine. So you know the structure of pyridine. Now nucleophilic reactions on pyridine. You see nucleophile attack on alpha positions, means two positions. So there is a negative charge on nitrogens, negative charge on this carbon, is 3 carbon and 3 carbons. If nucleophile attack on beta positions, means third positions, there is no negative charge on nitrogens. And if nucleophile attack on gamma position, means fourth positions, you see here negative charge on nitrogens. So these nitrogens and these nitrogens have negative charge. But in alpha positions, there is no negative charge. Here is negative charge. But in beta positions, there is no negative charge on nitrogens. So what if negative charge is there? So what is important? Nitrogen acts as an electron sink. You see, nitrogen act as electron sink. That is very important word, electron sink. Beta substitution is less favored because there are no stable resonance formed with the negative charge on nitrogen. Why beta is less? No negative charge on nitrogen. Aromaticity is regained by loss of hydride or leaving group or by oxidations. Now pyridines, nucleophilic reactions. You see nucleophile, chloride, bromide, iodide, methoxide, etc. Attack on these positions. So favored by electron withdrawing substituents that are also good leaving group. The positions of the leaving group influence reactions rate. Gamma greater than alpha, alpha greater than beta. So you see, this is pyridine and chlorine. Reactions occurs at any center, O ethyl. What is the relative rate? You see, para NO2 groups is here. Means this is not ring. This is pyridine ring. Gamma positions, alpha position, beta position. Pyridinium ions, nucleophilic reactions. Nucleophilic substitutions, you see pyridinium ion. So conversions of a pyridine into pyridinium salt greatly accelerates substitutions. So substituents effect remain the same, alpha greater beta, gamma greater than beta. But now alpha greater than gamma. You see, in this case, gamma greater than alpha. In case alpha greater than gamma. What happened when it becomes the pyridinium? So you see, this is without pyridinium, and this pyridinium. Now positions here alpha, here gamma, here beta, and this is without. So this is the relative rate for the substitution reaction. Pyridines, pyridine formations. You know the benzene intermediate where triple bond is there. So this is pyridine, NNH2. You see, addition elimination reaction. You know the. This is benzene, similar NNH2. You see the product. This product 3 position, 4 position. When very basic nucleophiles are used, a pyridine intermediate intervenes. Pyridines are similar to benzene and very reactive, not isolable. Now we will discuss about pyridines nucleophilic reactions. Nucleophilic attack with transfer of hydride. You see lithium, now lithium positive and negative, NH2. You know this is very well known reactions, Chichi-Bevin reactions. Vinyl lithium, vinyl is ortho positions, alpha positions. You see. So a hydride acceptor or oxidizing agent is required to regenerate aromaticity. You see, regenerate aromaticity. This is loss aromaticity, regenerate aromaticity. Loss aromaticity, regenerate aromaticity. The reaction with lithium amine is referred to the Chichi-Bevin reactions. Amide, lithium amide. Pyridines, metal halogen exchange. That one is also very important. Direct exchange of metal and the halogens. This is X. Now this is the metal. Halogenation or halogenated pyridine do not tend to undergo nucleophilic displacement with alkyl lithium or alkyl magnesium reagent. Alkyl magnesium, you know, the Regednan reagent. So metallation occurs at removal of X. You see Br, metallations, then CON, then oxidations, and then again this product. You see, reactions occurs here. You go. You see CON, reactions. So this type of reactions, direct metallations. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching.